Hi everybody, what's good? I'm back with a new video. This time around I'm cutting my hair. In this video I was just playing around, experimenting with a look that I really wanted, and I didn't know how it would go because I've never really cut my hair ever. So this is my first time. So now I'm just detangling my hair, making sure it's detangled and combing my hair the long side in a certain direction. Now I decided to part between the side I want to shave out and the hair that I want to leave long. So now I'm just going in with this clipper. I don't really have any form of strategy, or basically, like, to be honest, I'm not really sure what I'm doing. So I was just like, because it's my first time doing this, I'm like, let me just continue. And I just took it a step at a time, a minute at a time, and yeah, ultimately I think not bad. The rest is just self-explanatory. As you watch, you'll see what I did and how I did it. And I think all this was like very easy for me. Not very easy, quite easy for me, because my hair was already cut into a mohawk. So I just had to follow already what was done. So that's it. I think that was easier for me. I just wanted to trim, not like shave my hair out or anything. So yeah, but I was very nervous doing this. Yeah, so I guess you can just watch and see what I'm doing. Everything else is just self-explanatory. So here I was just checking every side if it looks like the size, and I was satisfied with it. So now I'm going in for the hair in the middle. I wanted something really short so that I don't have to, straighten my hair or apply heat on my hair. I just wanted like a natural short pics. I don't know how to explain it, but I think in the end I really did what I wanted. I just took some clippers and I just started cutting it bit by bit until it was the same size vertically, and then I went in horizontally to make sure that the end were not too rough. That's all I did throughout the entire hair. That's all I did to make sure it wasn't like really rough. I cut vertically, then horizontally into the hair. And I was doing it, I was so nervous, but ultimately it looks fine. So I decided to go in with the relaxer, just for kids relaxer, and I'm just applying it using the back of my comb from the almost the root to the tip. Nothing crazy, because I'm gonna comb it through and section everything. But how I relax my hair, it's like, I don't know, self-explanatory. And before this I just applied a little bit of hair food around my hairline to make sure I don't get bent. I don't know. I'm not sure why people really do that, but old habits still really go away. So I think this relaxing part is just like the easiest part. So yeah, just watch, it's self-explanatory. And another thing to note, I start with the middle section of my hair, then I apply relaxer on the sides, because I feel like the sides tend to get relaxed more quickly than the middle, and eventually, because it's too short, it's touching my scalp, it ends up burning a little bit. So I always start with the middle part and then go towards my side. And now I'm just doing, I applied relaxer, sectioning it and rubbing it with the back of my comb so that it can be straight. That's all I'm doing, like section, and then you rub it, hit it against the wall so that all that growth or new hair or your natural hair can just go away. And this part I did as quick as I could because it was now touching my scalp on the side. So yeah, that's all. And I just rub my fingers against it. I feel like that helped a lot because it makes my hair extra straight, especially on the side, and that's what we're going for. So all the products that I use to wash and condition my hair, I'll link it in the description bar. And after washing my hair, I just tied it using a t-shirt and nothing, not a towel and anything, just a t-shirt for it to keep its moisture. I don't know, but I like it that way. So now I'm just sectioning the hair, and I'm applying this hair food and mix it up with the conditioner so that, I don't know, this mixture just help it stay and moisturize it and reduces the oiliness. Now I'm using my wrap foam so that I can mold my hair, and my hair can, like, lay flat. When my hair, after relaxing like this, to be honest with you, I don't really use much wrap foam because I don't feel that need for it, because my hair is already wet and everything, and it's already straight. So as long as I mold it into this desired shape, I don't really mind. But yeah, I was just trying to mini waving on the side. Nothing too crazy, and I was fine with it. After I'm fine with the mold that I created, I just go on and wrap with a scarf. I don't have wrap strips or anything, and if you guys know anywhere where I can get them here in South Africa, please highlight me. And now I'm just gonna sleep in this, and when I wake up, in the morning, all glammed and everything, this is how I look. So yeah, I just did my makeup and removed the scarf, and now I just want to comb there. As I said, I don't want to apply any heat henceforth on my hair, hence I wanted it short, like super duper short. I don't know, but yeah, this is somewhat what I wanted, and I'm mad at it. I'm happy with it, and yeah, thanks for experimenting with me. Bye.